Hare Krishna. Adrushyatvadhikarana. ADHYAYA-1, PADA-2, Adhikarana 6, altogether 18th. 3 sutras are included in this Adhikarana. There are sutras 52, 53 and 54. In this Adhikarana, the Supreme Brahman is also called as Akshara, is proved with the attributes such as invisibility. He is exclusively within. We have studied Sutra 52 already. Now we will continue further. Om Visheshana Bheda Vyapadeshabhyam Cha Netarau Om. 53rd Sutra Itarau. Others such as animate and inanimate world, four-headed Brahma, Rudradeva and other deities and so on, are not having the attributes such as invisibility and all. Adrushyatvadi guna they are not having. Bheda and of distinctive attributes with animate and inanimate world, four-headed Brahma, Rudra and other deities. Vyapadesh, as described, as told. Visheshana, attributes of all others are described with full extent only with invisible Brahman. As attributes of all others are described with full extent only with invisible Brahman Vishnu, and of distinctive attributes with animate and inanimate world, four-headed Brahma, Rudra and other deities are not having attributes such as invisibility. Yas sarvajnaha sarvavidyasya jnanamayam tapaha munduka iti visheshanat na prakrutihi. The Munduka sentence says, from the attributes declared in the text, he who is knowing everything, knowing in general and in particular, he who is the controller of all and whose meditation, on whom the tapa is done, is perfect knowledge jnana, whereas Prakriti, the matter, cannot be with invisible adrushya attributes. The Prakriti, the matter and other souls, they cannot be with invisible attributes. Tasmat etat brahmanam rupamannam cha jayate iti bheda yapadeshanna virinchaha. From this, the Akshara imperishable are born four-headed Brahma Viranchi. From this Akshara, from this imperishable personality, the four-headed Brahma is born. And all other preceding deities over various forms, rupa, food, etc. They are also born. By all this statement, it is proved, nor could Virinchi, four-headed Brahman, be the invisible Adrushya. So Virinchi also cannot be the invisible. He cannot be Akshara. He cannot be imperishable. Because all others have born to him. Virinchi itself is not Akshara. He himself is not Adrushya. Aparam Tvaksharam Yasa Prakrutir Jada Rupika Srihi Para Prakrutihi Prokta Chetana Vishnu Samsraya Tamaksharam Param Prahuhu Parataha Paramaksharam Harimeva Khila Gunamaksha Taya Miritam iti Skande. Skanda Purana says, Prakriti, which is of the lifeless characteristic, Jada Prakriti, is called the lower Akshara. The Prakriti is called as lower Akshara, Apara Akshara, the Apara Akshara. Lakshmi Devi, the Chit Prakriti, who is dependent on Vishnu, is called as higher Akshara, Para Akshara. Para Akshara. She is dependent on Supreme Brahman Vishnu. Chit Prakriti, she is Chit Prakriti, she is not Jada. And consequently, Supreme Brahman Sri Hari, perfect in excellence, the imperishable Akshara, is higher than the higher Akshara, Para Akshara, and this is distinguishing attributes of Vishnu, the Brahman called as Parataha Paraha Akshara. So he is highest. Parataha Paraha Akshara. Aparakshara, Jada Prakriti, inanimate word. Parakshara, Mahalakshmi Devi. the wave of Supreme Brahman Vishnu. Parataha Paraha Aksharaha, the Supreme Brahman Vishnu itself. Traksharabhidanat Parataha Paraha Ityabi Visheshanameva. From these explanation found in the Skanda Purana of 3 aksharas, the higher than the highest akshara is Supreme Brahman. The Supreme Brahman is Parataha Paraha Akshara. Justam yada pasyatyannamishasya mahimanamiti vitashokaha. Undaka Upanishad Aitareya Suti. The student, the mumukshu, will get rid of misery when he realizes that Supreme Brahman Isham is being served by all and different from all. Supreme Brahman is different from all and everybody will meditate on him. Everybody will serve him. Realization of Jiva Isha Bheda is must for elevation of truth seeker. Because a truth seeker, a mumukshu, a student, he should know that Supreme Brahman is different and the student himself is different. Student cannot be Supreme Brahman. By realizing the difference, by realizing his greatness, if he meditates, he will be elevated. Iti Bheda Yopadeshan Ishapada Praptopi Na Rudraha. As Jiva Isha Bheda, difference between innumerable souls, innumerable real souls and Supreme Brahman is the topic here. This is the topic here. Isha means Supreme Brahman Vishnu. Even though Rudradeva is also called as Isha, it is secondary to him. Thus, Isha is Supreme Brahman, not a Rudradeva. Rudradeva is also Isha, but it is secondary to him. So, this is the end of this 53rd Sutra and 54th Sutra. We will continue in the next class.